I am so tired and hungry. I think I should order a pizza.
Thank you for calling Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hi. Yes, I'd like to order a pizza.
Sure. What would you like?
Pepperoni and vegetables.
Okay, pepperoni with mixed veggies?
Yes, that's fine.
Any allergies?
It's okay. No, it's okay.
Enjoy your pizza.
Hi, delivery for Carlos?
Yes, that's me.
Here you go. Thank you.
This is good. Wait, what? Bletch.
Wait, onions? Oh no. I can't eat onions. I don't like it.
Hi, I just received my pizza and it has onions. I don't eat onions.
I'm sorry about that, sir. We did ask if you had any allergies.
Yes, but you asked about allergies, not onions. Russia.
Right, Def. Allergies include anything you can't eat or anything you need to avoid.
Oh, okay, now I understand, but I can't eat onions.
Got it. No problem, sir. We can remake your order. Sincere apologies.
Yes, please.
But let me call back for my new order. I need to think about it.
Got it.
Pizza toppings, meaning? Common pizza options.
I think
I should.
choose this, and I just need to emphasize to them that I want no onions.
Hi, I'd like to order another pizza now.
Sure, sir. What would you like this time?
One medium pepperoni pizza this time, but no onions. I'm allergic to onions.
No onions. Got it.
Yes, thank you.
Not perfect, but clearer than before. That's what matters. One mistake, one correction. That's how you learn, grow, and be audible. Enjoy your meal.